6349. Should you crack that problem, though you have a machine that can navigate a world built for humans, like a human. It can climb stairs and open doors. Hell, it could even drive a car if need be. Creating robots in our image is part sure, but more about inventing machines that could one day explore places made for instance, taking care of your grandma in her 2-story house would handle be good at that sort of thing. Probably you try climbing stairs on Boston Dynamics did not reply to a request for comment about their robot. Not there. But if Boston Video is any indication, its form would do nicely in a warehouse as a heavy or patrolling with soldiers as a kind of pack animal. There. Us. Military. Wanted. There. For such a purpose, but rejected it in 2015 because it was too noisy and really no one robot will be a universal solution wield are great on wide open plains. Tracked robots rock when traversing rubble and rule buildings built for people. But what about a robot that can transform itself for each environment, can wear various contraptions to allow us to skate on ice, go underwater for days at a time, and even fly to there, says Jerry Pratt of their Institute for Human and Machine. But we take those skates and space suits off when we turn indoors. Would be great to see a version of their Boston Dynamics handle robot that can roll around fast on city streets, but then take off its wheels and walk inside a building. Indeed, it was a hybrid robot that won their challenge in 2015 to 56 to